Good evening again, my people. Yes, my people, you don't know, say yaadvibez there again in the kitchen, and I understand. Yes, my people, so here we are going, and know, my people, you don't hear and look what I going. So, you see that my people chicken well cut up and ready. So, I'm going to fry them chicken at dry, my people. You know, season it, my people, and I'm going to see what I going. I'm going to fry it dry and cook it down with some callaloo. You understand, my people? Yes, man, with some dumpling and some yam and banana over here, so. Yeah. Flour ready and line up the people. See it, yeah. We have to season them right, that's my people. You understand the people? Cut up and wait, you know, see them design and them style. Yeah, sometimes you have to see it up a thing, the people. So I don't know what I want. If you don't want to know if you do them style, I'm just link in the comment section and we'll chat. Yeah. Part of thing, we'll chat about it. And see what I go on there, stuff. Wait for me. So I don't know, people. Kick off the ball and roll. Yeah. So you're gonna knead up the flour, you're gonna season up the chicken, so I'm gonna stay tuned. Keep the people flour knead up and ready. So you make some dumpling with paper. Yes man, that's how we make dumpling, man. Me make dumpling this way, my people. I understand everybody make them dumplings different. See it? So I make my dumpling. See it? Yes, my people. And then we put in on this. So I just stay tuned, my people. I understand? See my people? Yes, man. I'm going to pattern on my people. And remember, my people, see the seasoning. Yes, man. Cut up and ready to steam the callaloo. You understand? Now we're going to steam some greens, my people. And fry the chicken well dry, and then cook the greens and put it on it. So I put the salt in the pot, and I put in the dumpling then. The paper. Yes man, we put them in and make them cook. So I'm going to go and stay tuned, say my paper, and I'm going to see me do the yam and the banana said because I have some hot girl out there who know if you peel banana. But I don't worry myself, because I don't worry myself, my girls them. A big love for so hot and nails them and understand. So don't worry, I'm going to show you if you peel banana. Yam that, you know, people, good old yellow yam. Yes man, good old yellow yam, my people, see it? So I flour that, my people, and yam that. I got banana next, my people. Cooking oil is my people. Just a little top like that. You rub up your hand, my people. Yeah. Because we're going to do the banana, so you don't want the stain. Understand it, people? Just pop them off. Put them in the water, people. Get the paper, so watch what I go on now. As I was saying about the nails and the hot girls, them. You see, if you hot girls them now have the nails, all them have to do, I just do like this and cook them banana. Same way in the skin. Watch again. Hot girls, just do like that. You line your banana, you do like that. So when you don't cook, simple, you just use a fork and it just come off easy and nice. Yeah, but for the nice woman, them said the way, you know. You know, a rough thing go down. Come on, a peel banana. Yep. Simple 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so on the stay tuned, say my paper. So on the see the paper. So everything for your food pot, so I store food pot. The paper. stir up the food pot. The dumpling and the yam that me people. Now put in the banana then. Yes, my people, so the next move, people, you know, meat time, you understand? Yes, people, so see it now, chicken spice, all purpose, garlic powder, and egg powder, my people. So, you know, watch what I go on. Remember, I said I'm going to fry the chicken dry, my people. And cook it down with some greens, you understand? Yes, my people, different style and pattern, you know? Yes, sir. We don't put too much of this in people. The people say season also I cut piece of garlic on it. Yes, man, you know, cooking up people are going to fry, so just want to rub it up and fry it. Everything nice and alright. I'm not going to waste too much garlic and pepper because you don't have a thing over here already. See it there? Don't have a season board here already, my paper. See it? And a curry chicken and a stew chicken, we just go fry it dry. Just like our French fried chicken, we go fry it dry. Yes, my people, so walk our island now, my people. Show no one going in a food pot there. The people dumping yam and banana cook. Look at oil there. Love me garlic still no people, so I still have to put piece of garlic in it there. Don't know. And I still have to put piece of pepper, my people. See the paper, rub him up, yeah, rub him up my paper. You like how this look white in the people, and some did my thing, and all on there. You can look steady in the people. I don't know, white pieces. What's up? Season for dip on meat. See my paper? Yeah, look a bit another. This one seasoned there. I'm not great for you seasoning. You see oil there? Hot. So I make it oil hot for a moment, people, because I want the oil to well hot. I understand? So I just watch where I go on. So we have a fry them. Paper, and look at paper. This is one next thing I want to show you. Said we all I want to know. You don't want to stove nasty with too much of the starch that come out of the food. You can just turn on your fire low and catch the cover like that. You don't have a whole heap of cleaning up to do when you finish. And actually, the starch out of this is not good for your stove. Yes, some people. So, chicken and pot of fry. You don't know any food pot ready. So, callaloo after that, you understand? And see after I callaloo my people, how you go? Jesus Christ, that's some of my people in with me now, man. Cookings. After I callaloo my people, I don't know. Eating time. After them I done fry, eat the paper. Yes, man. So make them stay there and brown. We want them brown. So stay tuned on the paper. So remember people, this is the callaloo pot. So you see seasoning board there again the paper. We have okra, scotch bonnet pepper, carrot, onion, Irish, sweet pepper, thyme, and some scallion. And the garlic a burn. So that's the people. So the reason I put the garlic in that and now I want the callaloo to have the flavor. So the rest of the season I go on top of this paper. There we go. Paper. I see the chicken and all rest of my paper. Yep. Yes, man. Some want them fried brown and dry. Dry and brown. And we don't want to call it my paper. I don't know a big design on my paper vibes it up sketching and go on. Do what is right, you understand, and I sew up the pot. Yes, ja. Blessing again, Father. One more day again. You understand? Give thanks to life, Father. Give thanks to everything. Yes, ja. You see that paper, I spin up this until they get wet. Yeah, man, I spin up my callaloo until they get wet. Yep. So do that now paper, I just put in the onion. I cut the onion and we call this onion roll my paper, you see it? Yeah, so we style up the thing more, but sometimes we just go a road, you know? Just run road. Yeah. So this is a spicy greens in my paper because I can see pepper. The whole thing I want going. Gonna stay tuned my paper. Yes, my paper, so see it there? Yes, my paper. My paper sauce for them to fry brown and dry. And the rest of them on my basin. But you want to run the paper, I'm going to run the thing on my paper. Supposed to hold my pot. Yes, my paper, so you see it? I put them in the basin, just like that. Yes, people. So I'm going to stay tuned for my paper. Kyle Big not done yet, you know. My paper. Yes, man. See callaloo. Yes, people, we call it callaloo and we call it greens. You understand? Yes, my paper. That's it. Look pretty, not show my paper. Oh gosh, man. See my paper. We're pouring the chicken in now, people. See that? Yeah. So you see it? I'm going to stir it like this. Don't move it, people. I'm going to keep a little bit of water. Just like that. I'm going to put some black pepper in. So, I'm going to stir it again. It's gonna sweat, so I'm gonna cover it to make it sweat. That's how we're gonna get juicy. Right, so you see it? callaloo chicken. Eat my paper. Woo. Food time, you know my paper. Yes, man, food time. The bigs are going to heat food, you know my paper. Yes, Jack, give thanks and praise, you know. I do dumpling again, Lord God, my people. I do smoke dumpling, my people. I'm showing you my people. Yes, a banana iron. God, the trouble. Yes, my people, so see it. I'm a little plate out in my people. I don't want to laugh after me and say, no, look on a little plate, you know. Yes, sir. Don't know no people want to love all the oil, you know. So we are going to meat pot. Yeah. See my people. So this is how you come down to, you understand my people? Callaloo and the chicken. See it? Yes, my people. So I make one little plate there. You don't laugh again, man. I say, look on your little plate. That's a little plate. People don't know we have to eat good food, not true? Yes, man. So that I don't go down in my people. So I don't move my people, I got table. I'm going to rest it right, just so my people. So I have a one Viva water. Take a good look, my people, you can try it. I don't really advertise it. I don't get paid for do it, but I understand. You drink nice, refreshing. So that's Viva water. I have my glasses on my people. Yes, just me fuck, yeah? My people gonna want the callaloo hide the meat and I want to see chicken them. See it? Yes, my people. So the bigs are gonna sit down and eat some food. So I don't know my people. Man has a respect all the while, and I understand. And as I say, big up to my subscribers them, big up to my viewers them. I don't know. And people, please, I beg you, thumbs up the video them, please. Yeah, thumbs them up, thumbs them up, thumbs them up. And you can link me down in the comment section. Anything you want to ask yaadvibez. Anything at all. You just link yaadvibez and yaadvibez. Tell you now one. You see it, my people? That I go on for what I go on. So yaadvibez are going to eat some food because you don't know. They always say, got them. The granny and my grandfather tell me, say, you see, a bad mother to eat and talk or talk and eat. But sometimes we unruly. So I eat some food. I taste it show the people. The chicken is hot, so I can poke up your mouth today. But you don't know. Blessing. Like, subscribe, and share my people. Peace.